watching Good Day Maine on Fox 23.
And more than 9% of Americans are unemployed, and several of those Americans are having a tough time affording their mortgages. But with foreclosure looming, help could be on the way. Today we'll talk with members of the homeownership.org team about an emergency loan program that could score qualified applicants a chance at $50,000 in forgivable mortgage assistance.
A lot of money.
This program that expires later this month, July 22nd, so the time is running out, but a lot of people could be helped by this.
Good, good.
Well, with unemployment at more than 9%, many Americans are finding themselves, they are struggling to pay their mortgages.
Yeah, now many have a chance at $50,000 in forgivable mortgage assistance, but the deadline for applications is rapidly approaching, and homeowners, well, they are looking for answers quickly.
Joining us now live from New York to help explain this program is Aaron Horvath, president of homeownership.org, as well as Sherry Stewart. Guys, thank you very much for joining us.
Hey, thank you for having us.
Well, first, when we start off, a lot of our viewers, they might find themselves in this situation without a job, having a tough time paying their mortgage, staying in their homes. How do they get access to this help and know if they're qualified for this?
Yes, I agree. There's probably many struggling homeowners in Maine that are dealing with either unemployment or a reduction in income, and that's what this program is designed for. So basically, anybody that is making less money than they used to, one of the eligibility criteria is if someone's had a reduction in income of 15%, that's 1-5, they can go ahead and see if they're eligible for this program. It's a $50,000 in forgivable mortgage assistance, and we here just to encourage your viewers to go ahead and find out if they're eligible.
Now, where is this money coming from? Is it coming from the government? Is it coming from investors? How do you guys benefit from consumers taking advantage of this?
Well, great question, Diana. It is a HUD program, so it is government monies. And it's really about saving neighborhoods, saving homes, and bringing stability back into our neighborhoods. So we encourage those in Maine that think that they may be eligible to go to that website, homeownership.org, fill out a pre-eligibility form, just 13 simple questions, or can call the HOPE hotline. That's a 24-hour line that's available for homeowners. They will speak to a live person. It's a very simple process, but we really want to stress that folks try to beat that July 22nd deadline.
Now, do you think a lot of people know about this? I know you're getting the word out here, but we haven't heard a lot about this being talked about.
Yeah, that's one of the reasons we really wanted to make sure that we create that awareness. It would be unfortunate for July 22nd to come and go, and there's a struggling family out there that would benefit from this $50,000, and they just didn't know about it or they didn't take the time to apply. So I would say as of now, probably awareness is pretty low, but we're trying to get the word out, and we hope that people at least look into it, because for a lot of folks, this is the difference between saving their home or losing their home. So we want to encourage folks.
And Aaron, sorry to jump on you a little bit there. An important question I think viewers have: do you need to be behind on your mortgage payments, or does your home need to be in foreclosure to qualify?
No, your home does not need to be in foreclosure to qualify. One of the criteria for the program is to be folks have to be 90 days late as of June 1st. So a lot of folks out there who were struggling last spring, that's when this program was kind of put in place. It's designed to help those folks, kind of give them more time to find that job and rebuild that income.
Okay, Aaron Horvath and Sherry Stewart, thank you very much for joining us this morning. And once again, the deadline for this is July 22nd. Thanks, folks.
All right, now, Doug, also I think it's important to mention, we didn't have a chance to talk to Aaron and Sherry about this, but there are so many mortgage scams, foreclosure rescue scams out there. I do think it's important to make the delineation between this program, which is a legit program backed by the federal government, HUD, versus some random foreclosure rescue scam that's out there. So again, that website is homeownership.org.
All right, we will be right back after this.